Everyone wants to go viral with short form content, but most people post and then hear nothing but crickets. But what if you could use AI to not only identify clips that are going to go viral, but also script and create your own clips that actually make you money? Well guys, in today's video, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. And that's because a powerful tool called Virlo is a secret tool that clever side hustlers are using to do crazy numbers on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts right now. It doesn't matter if you want to make money with Whop clipping, TikTok shops, drop shipping, or your own e-commerce business, you absolutely need to have Virlo in your digital marketing toolkit. This Virlo review is going to break down exactly how it works and some of its best features that you can leverage to start going viral with your content. And stick around because at the end of the video, I'm sharing a pretty clever and kind of sneaky monetization method that is a massive opportunity for 2026 and beyond. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. So guys, I mentioned Virlo in the intro and I'll cut right to the chase and explain how this AI-powered platform works and how it can really help you take your short-form content game to the next level. And so Virlo is basically a social media analytics platform that basically helps you detect, track, and create viral content for any niche under the sun. It's a super useful tool for identifying content trends before they take off and get too saturated. And it has an amazingly powerful AI workflow that lets you find viral content, create scripts from that content, and then use that working formula to go viral yourself. Right now, Virlo is a tool that clever side hustlers are using to make absolute bank. It's helping Whop clippers, it's helping drop shippers, it's helping people who do TikTok shop, affiliate marketers, and e-commerce operators in general. So if this sounds like you, or if you want to make money with viral content, Virlo is definitely for you. And so to get started here, I want to hop into my Virlo account and show you guys some of its most powerful features, starting with the custom niches section on Virlo. And one thing I love about Virlo is that you can basically create custom niches or areas of interest that you want to study to find viral content within that niche and then duplicate that for your own business. It's also super simple to do. All you need to do is enter the keywords for the niche to build your first custom niche. In this example, I'm making a custom niche for health and fitness gear and supplements because this niche is crushing it right now on TikTok shops. Once you add your keywords, Virlo starts showing you viral videos from creators in that niche. This is a super fast way to again find content formats that are working. And I love that you can quickly toggle between YouTube and TikTok to find different videos for each platform. What I also love is that Virlo has an outliers section that basically breaks down the absolute most viral videos in that particular niche. You can see the view counts for each video and quickly scroll through to identify the best content for that niche for a given time period. Now guys, in the past, you would have to do this with burner phones on different TikTok and Instagram accounts or YouTube short accounts, scroll for hours, collect market research yourself, and it was super time consuming and you never really got the full picture. Now Virlo centralizes all of this data for you and it saves you so much time. And this is really the fastest way to start gaining data and value from Virlo, but we're just getting started here. I mean, Virlo can even show you the best time to post content in your custom niche, popular hashtags people are using, how views are trending over time across different platforms, and even notes on what's working to help inform your own hook and script creation. I also like that it shows you active meta ads and successful meta ads alongside organic content. So again, if you work in e-commerce or you're buying ads, this is also an awesome feature. Now, the second feature I wanted to cover is Virlo's tracking and the overall Virlo Data Hub and how you can actually use all of the data you're getting to inform your decision making. And later on, I'm going to show you how to use Virlo to actually create viral content for your own business. But really first, we have to get enough data into our content marketing machine so we're making the best decisions possible. And this is really where Virlo's tracking capabilities come in handy. With Virlo, you can actually select creators you want to track within your main dashboard. So once you find successful viral clips within your custom niche, you can start tracking the creators behind those videos so you know exactly when they post and what they're doing. Again, guys, this is key for finding viral hooks, viral content formats, and strategies other creators are using that are proven to go viral time and time again. Doing all of this is also as simple as finding a creator you want to track and then hitting the track button. Virlo also lets you track specific clips too, which is useful for seeing the life cycle of a clip and gauging how the niche and hook are performing over time. But okay guys, now that you've actually created custom niches with Virlo and you've used it to track successful creators in that niche, it's time to actually make some viral content yourself. And again, this is where the fun begins because this is where you can potentially make bank on a platform like Whop clipping or with TikTok affiliate shops or drop shipping in general. And this is where Virlo is honestly so cool. So to get started, just head over to Virlo's Content Studio. This hub is where you can basically take viral videos you find in your niche and start building your own content using all of that valuable data. To get started, you pick the canvas you want to create, which can be content formats like TikTok scripts or YouTube short scripts. You then get taken to a workflow which already has a default prompt built in from Virlo's AI, that will help you transform the data you give it into viral-worthy scripts for your own content. From here, just drag any Virlo data into the canvas. Things like custom niche results, orbit searches, competitor videos, collections, or external inputs like URLs, PDFs, and images. Virlo's AI will then ingest all of this data and transform it into a finished piece of content for your canvas. Guys, this is honestly insane, and I'll show you an example here I just made for a collagen supplement video that could go absolutely viral and make bank on something like TikTok Shops. All I have to do is take the clip and copy it into my Virlo canvas, and Virlo will recreate a viral script for me using all of the data I just gave it. And you can see here that Virlo puts out a pretty impressive script, and I can tweak it from here or ask Virlo to regenerate it if I want to try something different. Again, guys, this honestly blows my mind because you're using Virlo to identify trends, find creators who are actually making viral content, and then taking all of that data and making your own scripts and content formats that, again, are proven to go viral, and it all takes a matter of minutes. Now, once you actually have these viral scripts, you have a couple of options for bringing this content to life and going viral yourself. And option one would be to hire a UGC creator to do this for you, or to even film content yourself. But let's face it, guys, it's 2026. This is both time consuming and expensive. A second option you could consider would be to leverage other AI tools to actually take these viral scripts and create viral worthy short form content that's ready to post. And one of the simplest ways to do this is to use a platform like VSub. VSub is used by over 500,000 creators, and it lets you create faceless videos in a couple of seconds by using AI. So you can basically take the viral script from Virlo, plug it into VSub, choose the faceless video style you want, and you're off to the races. Now that's one option, but there are also tons of other AI avatar generators or AI faceless video makers out there on the market, so you really have no shortage of choice here. A lot of people in this space that I know also use HeyGen to create ultra-realistic talking UGC videos with AI avatars. So again, you could quickly do this with HeyGen and then post your finished content right to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or any social platform. I've also covered other platforms on this channel before, like ArtCADS or VMake. So again, guys, there are so many tools out there for you to take scripts and turn them into videos very, very quickly and without spending too much money. And again, that really highlights the fact that we're in a day and age where creating this kind of video content isn't really complex, it's not very expensive, it's the script and the viral hook components that are actually difficult, and this is why I love Virlo, because it uncovers all of this data for you. But anyways, guys, like I said in the intro, I want to cover a couple of creative monetization opportunities that you can use now that you know how to use a powerful tool like Virlo. This is honestly a pretty impressive AI workflow, so the question is, how can you start printing cash with it? Well, honestly, there are a few prime examples that come to mind. For example, you could use Virlo to create content for TikTok Shop affiliate offers. You could use Virlo to create organic content you use for your own dropshipping business. You could also use Virlo to create content you use for paid ads if you run an e-commerce business. And you could even use Virlo as an agency to create content for your clients. Now, these are all excellent use cases, but you can get even more creative here if you think outside the box a little. For example, some clever side hustlers are now using Virlo to create viral content and get paid by clipping on Whop. Whop is already paying people for posting viral clips and getting views. So you can use Virlo to supercharge your clipping efforts, increasing the odds your clips actually get views so you get paid way more. And there's actually some pretty cool examples here on Whop. I've covered it before on this channel, but it's improved massively since I did. And again, if you're clipping, there is a lot of money to be made. For example, I found this Whop clipping project with a $5,000 budget looking for clippers to promote this new toothpaste brand under the looks maxing angle. And this content and this kind of product is already perfect for social media or something like TikTok, Instagram, and Reels. So honestly, this is a potential gold mine as a clipper. You can basically use Virlo to find and create clips for this particular product and niche that can go viral on social. Then you add these to your Whop clipping project and get paid for every 1,000 views your clips generate. Again, guys, data is really the name of the game here. So whichever direction you go in terms of monetization, you can use Virlo to power it and to make the right decisions. But okay, guys, let's talk about pricing really quickly. I just covered some of the most awesome features Virlo has and how you can potentially make money with it, but how much does Virlo cost? Well, currently Virlo has 3 different pricing tiers. There's the starter plan, which is $49 per month when billed monthly, or $34 per month when billed annually. This gets you basically all of the features you'd want and around 2,000 credits per month, which is more than enough to do tons of research and get a ton of value. And honestly, this plan is a great way to start testing out Virlo to see the kinds of data you can collect and the value it can add to your own business. Now you can also upgrade to Pro for more credits and more data on things like meta ads. So again, this might be worth upgrading to if you run an agency or you're doing a lot of paid advertising, or you just find yourself using Virlo a ton. And honestly guys, whichever plan you choose, there's a ton of value here. And the fact that Virlo helps you save so much time and actually points you in the right direction if you want to go viral, it's certainly worth paying for in my opinion. I'll be linking Virlo down below and in the pinned comments for you guys if you want to try them out and also help support the channel. Plus, I chatted with their team and you can actually use the code TomBlake to get 10% off as well on your Virlo plan, and this is available for the first 100 people. I've been playing around with Virlo. I'm going to use it for my own YouTube businesses as well. I think it's super powerful, so I hope you guys enjoy using it as well. But anyways guys, that does it for this Virlo review and tutorial. I hope it has been helpful if you're looking to go viral on social media and you're looking for a platform that can help you get there. Like I said, Virlo is super powerful. It doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer, you do drop shipping, you work in some kind of e-commerce agency. The data you get from this thing is honestly so impressive. So I think you guys will like using it once you start playing around with Virlo. Like I said, I'll be linking them down below for you guys to check out, and I'm curious what you think, so you can drop a comment letting me know what you think about Virlo, how your results have been once you start trying them out, and if you have any other questions or thoughts. That really does it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.